Imagine a day without your voice. How about a lifetime without the ability to communicate verbally? This is the reality for many people around the world who have lost their larynx due to cancer. I'm Dr. Farzaneh Ahmadi, and together with an excellent team of researchers at MARCS Institute, Western Sydney University, we are developing a bionic voice source. Bionic voice is an artificial larynx for larynx amputees. The existing standard of care is a plastic valve that is placed surgically between the windpipe and footpipe, and it has problems of its own. We aim to change this gold standard using advanced biosignal processing. But why is it so hard? Voice generation is an extremely complicated process and is one of the fastest movements of human body. When you speak, a signal from the brain travels to the larynx and puts your vocal folds in place. Next, the air from the lungs flows through vocal folds to generate sound for you. But how should we control the voice when the larynx is gone? This is a question that had baffled scientists for 50 years now. We are now proud to be a globally pioneering team who have discovered an alternative way to control human voice using respiration. In our preclinical trials, our patient can now control his bionic voice source naturally at slow and fast speed rates with 98.4% of success. The next step for us is to make this bionic voice sound as natural as possible.